Uptown Swing level 1. Hannah. Peter. We did a bunch of stuff and warmed up. You guys did really well. You guys, literally. We worked on the circle today, making it even better, and I think everyone did it a lot better. Remember that 5, 6? I do 5, you do 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Both of us are not crossing behind ourselves. You don't need to make a big deal about that. We're just stepping, and you happen to be turning while you step. So, leaders, I had you practice it like this. Rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, back it up. If I face this way, rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, back it up. Don't go forward too far, and then have to do all your turning at the end. It's difficult. Rock, step, turn a little bit, step, step, triple. End with my right side behind me, and I start with my right side behind me. Then we bring that to our partnerships. And we go rock, step, triple step, zoom, zoom, triple. Remember, the center is kind of between us somehow. We both move around. Hannah's ridiculously patient. So good. And then we did promenades. Promenades looking like this. Rock, step, triple step, we take a walk. And then rock, step, triple step, we take a walk. That's 2. I could do a reverse promenade. Hey, ha. Or this way. Hey, ha. There's so much more, but that is it for now. We'll see you next week. I'm feeling loopy. Oh, yeah.